Ever wondered how students can actually hit $10,000 a month without all the typical 9-to-5 grind? Let's cut through the nonsense and reveal what it really takes. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to uncover the 3 key steps to making $10,000 a month as a student. Ready to start? Let's dive in. 1. Choose the right business model. Step 1. Choose a low-risk, high-reward model. Avoid high-stakes things like day trading. Most students don't realize that brokers actually make money when you lose. Instead, pick a low-risk, cash-generating business model like an online service business or e-commerce. 2. Start a service-based business. Next, consider a service-based business. Things like social media marketing or creating YouTube thumbnails are in demand and bring cash flow without needing big investments. Plus, as you grow, you can hire affordable team members to help out. 3. Set realistic expectations. Now let's be real. Building real income takes time. It may not happen in 6 months, but if you consistently build over a year or two, you'll see major results. Imagine your $10,000 a month lifestyle without the office. 4. Maintain and grow your income. Once you're at $10,000, it's all about maintaining and multiplying it. Find ways to grow without losing it all. Think of what wealthy people do to grow their income and follow those steps to keep increasing your cash flow. 5. Set your financial baseline. Finally, make $10,000 your new baseline. By setting it as your financial identity, anything less won't feel like you. Aim to lock this in and keep pushing it higher. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on reaching your financial goals as a student. Here's to your success. Start building your path to $10,000 today.